Alright, so we are proud to say that we have officially beaten the Guinness World Record for fastest speed on a tandem motorcycle.
Long shutdown is clear. Long shutdown is clear. Set 4, 2, 1.
So
I'm presenting James McDunnah and his girlfriend who isn't here, Marino, as setting the absolute world land speed record for two-up riding. They set that at 188.923 about an hour ago here at the Loring Time Association.
And how many kilometers is that?
300 and something.
Okay.
302, 303.
Two up absolute world record.
188.9?
188.9.
Okay.
So congratulations, we did it. We did it. Cool. So we are at the Loring Time Association land speed event in Limestone, Maine. We are officially, myself and Erica officially broke the land speed record for fastest tandem motorcycle, which we're very proud about. We did 2 runs, both on video, both will be included, and got my ZX14R 2 months ago for the purpose of breaking this record. Put an exhaust on it and a tune on it, and that's about it. Yesterday we were faced with 13-mile-an-hour headwinds, very tough to beat. We were right at the edge of the limit, the record, and today proud to say that we crushed the record and did very well.
What was it like sitting in the back of a motorcycle that fast?
I was holding on for dear life, literally.
All right. Anything else?
No, we're happy to be here. We want to thank everyone at the Loring Time Association. Tim, Joe, Tom, everyone's been great. Cliff and his wife. Got great footage, met a lot of great people, and definitely made some lifelong friends, and we'll be back next year for sure to break it again.
Boy, you